All right, so we are back, and let's talk about Forbidden Door. Overall, this was a lot better than I expected.
Yeah.
Just overall. So I will definitely give this one a full thumbs up. It was almost 2. It was almost a 2.
Almost, but the main events kind of sucked.
They really did. So let's talk about our first match, which was QT Marshall and Aaron Solo taking on Hiroki Goto and Yoshihashi. Here's the thing. The expectations of this match were not huge, but I will say I thought it was wrestled well.
Yeah, it was a good kind of curtain jerker to get the crowd excited.
Oh, they were super excited. The crowd was.
I'm gonna give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up.
I will do the same. I'll give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up. It was the Shota for the Bushiroad guys to win, obviously. But like you said, I thought it was just a fun little opener. Nice little pile cleanser to what we're getting. As soon as I saw this match, to be honest with you, I'm like, this actually might be better than I expected.
Yeah.
And honestly, even the pre-show was good.
Right. All right.